Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are newer to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell. And don't forget to watch all my videos. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. And yeah, and as you can see, I have social media accounts here below. Instagram at Farden, Facebook Farden. Please follow me there. And so for today's video, I am going to do a, let's say, Powder Girl makeup transformation, which is inspired by Kylie Jenner in WAP by Cardi B. So without further ado, let's jump out to the video. Our first step is I'm going to apply concealer to my blemishes and dark spots. This will serve as my color corrector. So now after that, I'm going to apply foundation from Samsung. I'm gonna mix it with Herbalife or something. I'm just trying to watch all my videos. Sure. This sounds like God, mag-apply pala ako ng glue. Sorry. Okay, gonna finish this off now. I'm applying now concealer. Concealer ng blemishes. Yeah. Now I am doing my, setting powder. The way before you apply the powder, apply first your contour. So I'm using this Caroline contour stick. Yeah. So I'm going to reset, and yeah, we're now about to contour. You can do tapping motion when you're doing your contour. Tapping motion or sliding motion like this. So yeah, after we did our contour, we're now about to do our key line or brows using my favorite one, UIS. So I'm gonna make it fast forward, time lapse. Now we're done with our eyebrows, and now I'm about to do my eyes. Yeah. So still I'm going to do a time lapse. So yeah. I'm already done with my, with my baking caneme and everything. So I'm about to remove the setting powder. now sorry. I'm now about to do my eyeliner. I will be using this Kylie eyeliner. Bestseller #1. Sure. I applying my highlights in the inner corner of the eye. My highlights here. You're gonna do your lip contour to make your lips bigger like Kylie Jenner. Sure. Almost done. I will now about to finish this look of GLAM. It's about written lashes na lang and highlights. I did already my blush. So much. Hi guys, this is the finished look. Hope you like it. So if you want to see more videos, just follow me or just subscribe. So see you guys in my next video.